Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook tofu with honey and oyster sauce. At since today is Friday, there's no meat for us, but some of the people will eat, but us no, we won't eat meat. Kay ang Holy Week hapit na, so kanang mo sacrifice ta a little, so di ta mukaog meat every Friday. Okay, so now these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, honey, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and then the tofu. Salt and black pepper. Okay. Let's cook the tofu first. Okay, I will do it by batch. So there's a second batch. Okay, let's cook first and then the second batch and then set aside. Okay, so let's cook this one first. Okay, so this is the last batch. Okay. Okay, so this is it. Set aside first. Okay. It. I forgot nga, napaday may ingredients guys. Garlic, onions, tomatoes, spring onion. First, saute the garlic. Then the onions. Guys, tomatoes. And then this one also the spring onion. Sauce. A pinch of salt. Black pepper, then the oyster sauce, and then honey guys. Okay, just a tablespoon of honey. Tofu guys. This is it. Tofu with honey and oyster sauce. Okay guys, so this is tofu with honey and oyster sauce is done. Guys, so let's see the tomatoes. Okay, this is our tofu with honey and oyster sauce. It's done. Okay, and it's time. It's tasting time. So it's tasting time. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna taste this one. It's yummy. It's yummy guys. Okay guys, so that's our tofu with honey and oyster sauce. Thank you for watching, and please hit like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dBroJack, to my Instagram, d_bro_jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.